फ्रेंड्स, ये आप देख सकते हैं, दिस इज़ अ वेरी बिग फार्म ऑफ पिग. दिस इज़ द पिग फार्म in Armenia. You can see ये देखिए पिग के छोटे छोटे बच्चे कैसे लेटे हुए हैं यहाँ पर. This is a very big business in Armenia of pork meat, because it has a very much demand all over the Armenia. Armenian people like meat or pork. On the Christmas and the New Year, it is very big selling day, like 1 crore dirham in Armenian currency. So one people take care of the pigs in the day and one is night. In the night only look after the pigs babies, because they're very much lazy pig in the night and don't care of the babies. This is my Bangla friend, Mr. Arif. Okay.